Greetings, dear ones. Here's your daily channeled inspirational reading for Thursday, December 4th, 2014. The number 2, Refusing to See card came up by Sarita. The Psychic Tarot of the Heart Oracle deck by John Holland was used for this reading. Just a little relaxation, just a little looking inwards, and the doors of immense potentialities open up. You are no more a beggar. Without conquering the world, you have conquered the whole universe. Just conquer yourself. A quote by Osho. It's almost the new year of 2015. The time is right to pull everything in so that you can see what is really real. Illusions have caught you once before, but not anymore. You're ready. You may be thinking to yourself calmly. You know, in the world we live in, you can hear folks tell you the truth or even what you want to hear. Certain times it's not easy to know the difference if you're simply relying on your listening skills. That's not always enough. And there are times when people scale down the truth, then try to pass it off to you. This silly thing happens more than most people actually realize. It's a good thing that you don't always hear what the truth is according to others. Since it's not valid, then it may not rest well with some of you. Besides, what is the truth according to someone else's judgments of you? Here's a hint. Who cares what others' judgments of you are? Also, a loving partner, corporate partner, or a family member may have words to say to you that may not have gone so well. Otherwise, the discussion that you have with others you seem to actually care about have arrived at the point where they are beginning to see things your way, possibly for the very first time in a long time, if ever. Woo! It's imperative to use this time at hand on this Thursday to think about how you can improve upon your communication skills with those around you. Maybe you're already doing the best that you can. Perhaps you can share your point of view with just a bit more honey or less sweetener so that others may finally listen to your way of doing things without watering it down or trying to water it down. Also, there's more to explore on this day, dear one. You may possibly or probably wake up feeling a little crabby, moody, crappy. However, you will notice just how very much you are in tune with the choices, decisions that you're on the brink of making. Don't take this lightly, as we tell you to stay focused. The delicious main course being served today will come from your intuitive nature, so even if you listened to no one else at all on what you need to do, you'll do just fine anyway. The lesson today, right here, right now, is to step aside to let your inner light show up for you. All that you need is there. All of it is there. It may not feel like it sometimes. However, you, yes, you, are so blessed. You're an extension of Source. So remember, the planets have all kinds of fun, piping hot cooking right there in the cosmos for you. Life, we know it's a bit weird often. Times can feel turbulent. Oh, can they? But you have the power, my precious, to make it through. You're already suited up for your journey. You've just started recently, so go make a run for it. And finally, you incarnated to this very place and time and space just for this. A yummy Gemini full moon is just about here on the 6th of December, so snap out of it. Know that you are a divine being who is always 100% free to be. You're not bound. Turn around to see all the triumphs and challenges as they are without fear. Because you can handle this. Pull up all the confidence you have. Trust in you. We appreciate you. If you need more clarity, go back to read this week's daily readings. We guarantee you'll find what you seek. For now, remember your peace. We look forward to your comments, tags, and sharing as always, and we care for you so very much. Sayofia Sarita Spiritual Guide. For you, it's all love. Take care. And if you'd like a one-on-one reading with me, then check out my website so you can book a time with me at www.naturallyhighlife.com. Also, stay tuned for our contests where one amazing person can win a free 50-plus page yearly numerology report valued at over $100 from naturallyhighlife.com. It's our way of saying thank you. It's time to shine. Stay tuned for all the details this weekend. Thanks for your continued support too. Peace and abundance.